Holidays are right around the corner. What better gift to give than a 12-volt ride-on police car? It's got a built-in light switch, a gear shifter to go forward, backward, or stop, a nice lit-up instrument cluster, and it even has its own radio with multiple different melodies. And if you've got little ones who don't know how to ride yet, that's absolutely fine. This remote control can take over the vehicle and you can help them out. Don't miss your chance to snag these at this unbeatable price. Click the link below and grab yours before they're gone.